Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to discuss some of the students query related to persistent system students query. So Monica has asked one question. I have got a mail 6 days ago and I had put my resume and so that is welcome mail, and she has uploaded resume and mentioned the basic personal information. But sir, after 3 days, I got HR interview mail and I gave it. So after how many days I will get offer letter? Okay. So don't worry, Monica. 100%, 100% you will get. Okay, 100% you will get. Don't worry. And you are completed your HR interview also. So randomly they will take sometimes. So those who are even completed after HR online assessment also. So don't, no need to worry. Okay. No need to worry, and you will get offer. Okay, within this week, within by end of this week, or because they will complete the procedure by this week, means even for persistent also, even most of the college now they are completing their procedure, so you will get. Okay, no need to worry. So Joe has commented, if they ask service agree, this is regarding the TCS. One of the student he asked, it was the comment on TCS video that I have shared some of the important questions for the TCS, and that so this guy has asked about if they ask agreement. Yeah, in the TCS there is a agreement is there. Okay, 1 year bond. Okay, 1 year agreement. So does we have higher chances of selection? Higher chance of selection. Yes, TCS this time they are doubling the hiring. Okay, they are hiring more number of students. Okay, so does we have higher chance of selection? Yes, there is a more chance there in TCS. And the TCS interview, as if you have good communication, if you have the good communication and basic skills, programming skills and all. Okay, then definitely you will select in the TCS. Okay, the rejection ratio is very less in TCS. 99% the selection chances are there if you are good in communication and with the basic knowledge of because they are hiring for all stream students. TCS is hiring for all different domain students. Okay, not only in the persistent, not only in the uh, CAC and IT. Okay, CAC, IT, electronics and telecommunication, electronics, mechanical, and civil. So they are hiring for all the students. Okay, so they are hiring for all the students. So no need to worry. Okay, and they give the equal importance to all the branches. Then Sachin has asked one question related to this is related to persistent. You are selected. Okay, Sachin has selected in the persistent. I received the welcome mail from the persistent before the 5 days, and I uploaded all the information, but I have not. Yeah. So you will receive the next mail. Okay, you will receive next mail. Okay, pre-joining information. Okay, next mail you will receive, and where you have to upload your educational details, you have to provide your address proofs and all, other card, date of birth. Okay, your permanent address proof. Okay, like Aadhaar card and your date of birth proof and your educational certification. Okay, and a PAN number and all. Okay, so that you have to provide. Okay, so this is about the persistent. Almost now in most of the colleges, almost they are completing their procedure. Persistent is almost completing the process. And even most of the students like TCS, those who are now preparing for the TCS interview. Okay, so you try to attend the TCS ninja interviews. Okay, because you may get a chance for the TCS digital also. Okay, through your ninja. Okay, as many students they found a problem. Many students they found a problem in the during the digital test. Okay, during the digital test the many of the students they found a problem. Okay, they are unable to attempt the test successfully during the digital test. It may be, I think, as like even passed students also they used to tell like they are facing the problem with that TCS compiler. There is some problem with the TCS that particular the platform. Okay, but during the test only you people are raise generate the tickets. Okay, if you have any problem, if you face any problem during the test, so you should generate the ticket. So that time only they will consider the TCS people. Okay. Yeah, one yeah, Pratik here is asking about. Sir, internship from persistent is offline. Yeah, Pratik, still it is not decided. Okay, the internship is online or offline. Okay, so still it is not decided, and persistent will communicate to the college. Persistent, they will communicate to the your college TPO regarding the internships. Whether because every college is having their own policy. Okay, because last time the internship was like it works from like normal job 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. or like. Okay, so this time not sure about. So internship means it is like it's like a job only, but you have to available for some time. Still that guidelines and all. Okay, I'm also not sure about that. Okay, but they will communicate guidelines and all. They will communicate to the TPO of your college. Okay, because still you are a student and you are having some academic subjects, so they will see all those things. Okay, so you need to wait. Now you just explore the skills. Pritesh sir, will they give me another chance to submit document if I fail to submit some of the document? See, Pritesh, let me know what type of document. See, PAN card. If you don't have the PAN card number, that you can generate in 2-3 hours. PAN card number that you can generate in 2 to 3 hours. Okay, so that is not a problem. Then for date of birth, you are having the your 10th mark sheet. Then that is not a problem. I think you are having that. Okay. Yeah, Pritesh, I think in this particular video, in the video description link, I have provided one instant in the video description link instant PAN card number generation means later you will get the that card and all. Now you can generate that PAN card number instant ePAN. I think in this video there is a. It took me one day to get PAN number. No, I think that I think there are one more. There are two link is there. One more. I think maybe you have applied to the different link maybe. So what you do, like you can mail to HR. You can mail to HR of persistent. Okay. Okay, it's mail to HR of the persistent, and they will suggest you. Suppose if you don't have the PAN card number, no, like normally they will suggest you to, like it is a compulsory field. They will suggest you to instead of PAN card, you can fill it Aadhaar card number and all. They will suggest you Aadhaar card number. Okay, Aadhaar card number and all, but they will suggest you better what you do. Like it is suggested to some students, like if you don't have the PAN card, then you can just for time being you can just add the Aadhaar card number, but you don't do like this. You just write a mail to HR and just mention like you can extend the time. Yeah, they are not replying. Yes, they are not replying means still, because there is a many queries are there, no, like you people, like you are, many students are there sending the query. So what is the last date? I think last date is there, no, like there may be 2 to 3 days they will give the time, so within that only. And see that instant EPAN, with that you can generate in 2 to 3 hours. So I don't know why you but even one day means at least tomorrow you will get, no, tomorrow you will get the PAN card number. First you get your PAN card number, that's all. No need to get that the final card. Okay, you just mail them, okay. They had given the last date and I didn't had option. No, not option. They had given last date and I didn't had option. No, option means like you can see, I think at the top at the left side, I think you can see that date, like due date and all, like they mention. And yeah, no, suppose if there is a tomorrow still time is there, then you can, maybe you can get, no, as you are mentioning, you will get in one day your PAN number. Otherwise you can just you once again you mail them and contact to your TP also. But actually I'm in most of my videos I mentioned like if you have, it means to generate the PAN card number, you can generate instant EPAN. Okay, you can get that number in 2 to 3 hours only. You should ask to your friends and you have to search it in the Google, like how you can get the PAN card and all. People persistent is hiring too much. Is there any chances of rejection? Not. No, no rejection. A rejection means like you have to work. You don't think about the rejection. You think like you got an opportunity. Okay, you got an opportunity and just explore the technical skills, and you can improve your communication skill, your technical skill. Okay, why you are thinking about negative things? Don't think about negative. Okay, just you think like you got an opportunity, just utilize that. Don't think about rejection means definitely that there is no permanent job, in any company. Okay, there is no permanent job anywhere. Okay, you have to work because you are work for the salary. You are work for the salary, right? If you work you will get the salary, if you don't work you won't get the salary. That is the true. Okay, so Ankit, I put my old address proof in document, but now I have changed my address. Okay, you added the old address. Okay, change the address. So is there any verification or would there be any problem receiving welcome code? No, you can later you can update it, Ankit. You can update your address. Okay, you can update you can update your address. Okay, you can just communicate to HR, like help desk mail is there, no? In help desk mail, okay, through that you can just mention like your communication address. Communication address means your present address. Still time is there, like still see, now only they won't consider all these details. One again, they will verify your all the documents and all. Okay, so better you just communicate through help desk mail. Okay, so don't worry. Okay, that option is there, like you can communicate and all these, you can just communicate. You should have a habit to communicate through the mail. Pritesh, it was on 8th October. Okay, so it was on 8th October and is there no option? Okay, मीन्स 8th October आपका लास्ट डेट था. Okay, and Pritesh, have you uploaded your PAN? Okay, even though if you are missed some document and all, they will communicate. Okay, like in document verification and all, it is not that much strict in the persistent. Okay, it is very much strict in the Accenture, TCS, and other companies. Okay, so here because the persistent directly they will communicate to the TPO of your college, so they will, because if there is any mismatch in the document in the future, like your marks and all, okay, then it would create, means suppose if you are having the 57 percentage and you are completed all the process, if you are like in 10th and 12th, okay, because it is you are not eligible with respect to this criteria, and if you are like done any something, any, okay, unethical thing here, that will create a problem, means okay, and like other documents, you can update it later, no problem. Okay, but in Accenture, TCS, and all, no, like before like providing their letter of intent, means before providing the joining offer letter and all, they strictly verify the documents. Yeah, very strictly they verify in other company. Okay, in persistent it is not that much strict, but maybe now they will like do, because as this time they are hired many students. Pritesh, is no option for updation. Rishav Singh. Rishav has asked about, I uploaded all my graduation marks till my sixth semester, but I forgot to upload. Yeah, no need to worry. Okay. Okay, Rishav, if they ask, means if they required, they will ask in the future. If they require your 10th and 12th, then they will ask you. Okay, don't worry. Still time is there. Time is there, like because they are not clearly mentioned. Like they are mentioned only the higher education. So as per that you are uploaded. Okay, no need. It's not a problem. Okay, if they ask, then you can just provide your 10th, 12th also, and still your 7th and 8th is pending. No, so no need to worry. ये आपका पेंडिंग है, ये आपका कैसा ज्वाइनिंग के 3-4 महीने के बाद ही आएगा आपको आफ्टर ज्वाइनिंग, बिकॉज after the 8th semester exam, maybe in the June, May or June you will complete. Okay, and your result you will get in the August, I think maybe August September में आपका result आएगा. So okay, and mark sheet and all, it may take November. Okay, 1 year, almost 1 year it will take. Okay, so don't worry, still time is there. Pushkar. Where to generate ticket if we face yeah, Pushkar, where to generate the ticket if we face compelling problem in TCS Digital? Actually, I have given them feedback after exam and mailed them from where I got the link assessment. Actually, during the I think maybe I have not read the clear the instructions. I think you are the DRC you are attended, right? And maybe you are received some instructions and all. So you just I think maybe not gone through the instructions. Okay. Actually, the TCS people they told to, like, suppose if you face any problem during the test. Okay, even it was there during the ninja test also, like I think chat option or I don't know exactly, but okay, if maybe they given instructions in the mail and all. If you face any problem during the test, the student has to generate tickets, means the query. Okay, okay, they should generate the ticket that indicates like you faced some problem, and and they will verify. And if you generate the ticket, no, that indicate like you faced a problem during the test, so that they will take some action on that. Like they will go through that whether the problem is a genuine problem. Okay, because most many students they are faced a problem during the TCS digital test. Yesterday it was there. Okay, actually I don't know, but actually the HR people they are communicated like whether if the student has generated a ticket, then it will be valid. Like they will verify. Okay, I don't know exactly, but you can just go through the instructions. Maybe they are given, but now they can't do anything after the test. They if you can't generate, I think so. During the test only, suppose maybe you have your test from 1 to 3 timing. In this particular time only, suppose if you are supposed to generate a ticket, means that query whatever you are faced. And even the passed out students also they told like these guys also like in the means after joining the TCS also, and they appear for the TCS digital. I think they are having a 3 to 4 times option to upgrade. Okay, from TCS Ninja to TCS digital. The working people they can appear for the TCS digital test, and they can, I mean, it is only for the employee. Okay, so they told like there is some problem with the TCS, means TCS compiler, means they won't like Python code, means it won't work. I don't know exactly, but as the students they said. Okay, like during the digital test, as most of the students they used to face a problem. Okay, but whatever such query, during the test only, I think you people have to read the instructions carefully. Okay, you should have, because for TCS, no, your TPO can't do anything. For TCS, Wipro, Accenture, Cognizant. Okay, for these companies, no, like such companies, your TPO can't do anything. Means most of the query, like they will solve. Means solve means students can communicate through the help desk mail, to on the company. Normally in persistent, Infosys and all, TPO will handle the issues. Means the TPO means they will communicate to persistent or Infosys or any associated colleges, the company and college. But these pan India, these recruitments are there, no? Like TCS, Wipro, Accenture and all. So Capgemini, Cognizant and all. So here the student has to read the instructions carefully. Okay. You need to read all the instructions carefully, and if they conduct any test before the like dry run and all, then you should attempt. and same device you have to use for the your final test, and you have to follow the instruction, your internet connectivity, okay, and whatever the security, that whatever the things that you have to disable some of the like the browser content and all that settings and all you have to do. If you follow all the instructions carefully, and also they will mention if you find any problem during the test, so you should mail the whatever the query, okay, whatever the problem you will face. So you should note down such help desk mail IDs and all, and you have to properly write a mail. So 99% it will work. Like suppose if you communicate during the test only, during the test. So after the test they won't consider. Okay, after the test they they won't consider. Okay, so during the test, suppose if you like mail during the through live chat or through any other way, if you are communicated, because they will mention all these things in the help desk, that particular इंस्ट्रक्शन में देते हो आपको, ये पर्टिकुलर हेल्प डेस्क मेल आईडी है और लाइव चार्ट और टिकट जनरेशन एंड ऑल. So with respect to that you have to do, okay, but in the future also just take care, and also just try to inform to your friends also, like those who appear for the test, means in the future, or you just try to give some suggestions to your juniors also, like that will be great helpful. It's whatever you face the problem, no, like try to, even if they ask your juniors, so try to communicate. Okay guys, so we'll end this video, and if you have any the doubt or any query regarding the other company, just mention in the comments so that others also they will try to